Good morning, my dear students. Sir. This is that Dr. Duraiswamy. So, what I am going to take that today what is the yogic practices for positive wellness? What is the yogic practices and positive wellness? What do you mean by positive wellness? And what is the yogic practices? The positive wellness. Now, the current situation is so much of negative thoughts and negative disturbances. Number of people suffered by the negative issues because of the only one reason is each and every cells having the toxins. So the positive, everybody's need the peace. The peace and healthy life. Peace and healthy life is nothing but the positive wellness. What is the role of yogic practices to the positive wellness? What is the role? What do you mean by yogic practices? They are telling that I am practicing yoga. So then what do you mean by yogic practices? Yoga is different. Yogic practices is different. Exactly. Yogic practices is one of the part of the yoga. You know that yoga is it's a way of life. It's nothing but to join the body and mind. It's one more definition. So who am I? Then another thing is yogic practices. What we practice, the movement of the body, breath, and mind is nothing but a yogic practices. So that only we are going to see that the yogic practices for positive wellness. So what are the disturbances of positive wellness? First is the emotional disturbances. What are the emotional disturbances? The Indians are intellectual. What is the reason you know that Indians are intellectual? The Indians are balancing the emotions. How they are balancing the emotions? Nothing but they are having the spiritual qualities. Spiritual health. The spiritual health, where we can get the spiritual health, how to promote, how to enhance the spiritual health is nothing but we can do the prayer. Sorry. When we do the prayer, when we chant the mantras, definitely we can get the spiritual health. So one of the reason is the emotional disturbances. So I given here the fear, anger, depression, disturbed sleep is nothing but the insomnia issues. Then another issue is the effect of stress. All are telling that because of stress, I am unable to sleep, I am unable to work. So much of issues, blood pressure, heart issues, chest pain, they are telling one of the reasons is stress. So what do you mean by the stress? This is that stress means it's in Tamil we are telling that mana aluttam. What is the stress? Repetition of the thoughts. Again thinking, the repetition of the thoughts. So the person, which person having the stress is unable to concentrate the routine work, regular work. This is nothing but stress. So how we can overcome the stress? Through the yogic practices, we can overcome the stress. Sir, how, sir? What is the relation, sir? Exactly. When you practice yoga, there is no thoughts in your mind. That is yogic practices specialities. Then, when you practice the yogic practices, that time there is no thoughts. So the yogic practices can give the realization to your mind. It realizes yourself. So when you realize yourself, which person is practicing yoga, that person should balance the happiness, balance the sad, balance the positive, and balance the negative. There's nothing but the yogic practices person, everything is equal. Nothing but he balanced each and every situation. That is the stress. Then what is the behavioral symptoms of the stress? Ultimate is the overeating. Overeating is the ultimate. Yes, that's why I'm telling that. Then behavioral symptoms, I told them what is the role of yoga. So much of dimension is there: physical, physiological, psychological. Ultimate is a spiritual. So when you have to practice the yoga can manage the stress exclusively for mental illness. So this is that speciality of the yoga. Then what is that? What is not yoga? What is not yoga? It means what I should not perform that. It means don'ts. In yoga therapy, we are telling that don'ts. That is that don'ts of which. So what is not a yoga means body work alone is not a yoga. So the yogic practices can give the positive wellness. Then another thing is how the rightly Patanjali said Ashtanga yoga, 8 limbs of yoga. The starting of the first limb is the social behavior. Finally, integration is nothing but the self-realization. So everything is there. In Tamil, we are in Tiruppural, everything is there. Same thing in the 8 limbs, everything is there. How we have to lead the life, how we have to work, how we are in office, how we are in house. In any kind of situation, how we have to tackle that. So everything is there in the Ashtanga yoga. Ashtanga yoga is nothing but the 8 limbs of yoga or Patanjali yoga. Oh, this is that. I'm telling that. So some tips I can give that. Yeah. Healthy tips I give that. Oil bath is advisable. And when you feel hungry, then you have to take the food there. So keep the good health and wealth. So thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thanks. In addition that, the perfect connection in yoga is that 3 perfect connections: body, mind, and breath. Body, mind, and breath. It's if you have to regulate and control the body, then only you should regulate the control and regulate the breath. If you are unable to control the body or unable to balance your body, you can't balance and control the breath. As well as if you are unable to regulate or control the breath, you can't control and regulate the mind. So this is a perfect connection in yoga. So that's why I told the yogic practices is the movement of body, breath, as well as mind. These 3 things. So like when we are practicing asanas, when we are practicing Surya Namaskar, when we are practicing pranayam, when we are practicing meditation, our body, our breath, our mind, this 3 movement is there. It's nothing but movement as well as balance this 3 body, breath, and mind. So none other than other activities like aerobics or walking or your jogging, etc. is there. But here yoga only the perfection of the coordination of the body, breath, and the mind. Then I told that in Surya Namaskar. So the Surya Namaskar, you know the 12 postures. Each posture having one breath and one mantra, like Om Mitraya Namaha. Like that, each posture having one mantra. Each posture having one breath. Like inhale. For example, if you go back, you have to inhale. When bend forward, exhale. Like that, 12 breath is there, 12 posture is there, 12 mantra is there. It's a components of the Surya Namaskar. Then some postures are given there. What are the postures? These postures and this Surya Namaskar, it can give the positive wellness. Right? So some postures are given like cobra posture, so Dhanurasana, like the Pavanamukta Asana, and some other even Veerabhutra Asana, I given that. So these practices, Surya Namaskara Asana, Pranayama practices can give the positive wellness. Then some tips I can give that. If you suppose somebody is in IT professions or some other professions, they are unable to come out. Just every 2 hours, only 2 minutes, they can deep inhale and deep exhale. This is the advisable for all. So this is the main thing. Apart from that, what I covered, this thing also it's important for them. So thank you so much.